Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Nicole Martel with My Creative Scrapbook. Today I'm going to be making this 8.5 by 11 scrapbook layout using a few photos from my son on his boat trip. And to begin, I'm going to cut this down to 8.5 by 11. This is a quick and easy layout. I created this layout in 15 minutes, so this is fun. I'm going to go ahead and cut the cardstock to measure 7.5 by 10 inches. That way it goes in the center of the pattern paper and there's a nice border. I'm going to go ahead and mount this down, and I'm just making sure it's lined up right too. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut this journaling card out from a scrap piece of paper from another layout that I created, because I do want to use this to add journaling. I'm going to go ahead and place these down. I'm just trying to get an idea of the design for the layout, and I really want to use a tag, so I'm going to cut this out and punch a hole in it and see where I want to put that. I figured I would go ahead and put it on the bottom because the top has the card, and I kind of want to balance this layout out. So I don't want everything to be top heavy with embellishment. I want to make sure everything is spaced out. And so I'm looking through the stickers to see what will work with the layout. And I'm going to go ahead and place the cloud stickers down, and I'm going to pop this up with the foam strips just to add dimension. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the sunshine here sticker. And then I'm going to go ahead and just mount this down because I know I'm going to keep this design here. I want it to be a quick and easy, simple layout. And I'm going to go ahead and add the tag here, tuck it behind the photo. And then once that's in place, I'm going to mount the photos down. I'm going to go ahead and mount this down. And then I thought I would go ahead and mat the other photo with a scrap pattern paper that I have. I was going to do yellow, and I thought maybe that's too much. I kind of like the pink, so I'm going to use the pink instead. And I'm going to go ahead and crop that down a little bit and mount this down here. Let's see. I think I'm happy with that placement there. Before I do that, I'm just looking to see if there's anything I can tuck behind the photo, embellishment-wise. And I'm just making sure the stickers all match the water theme that I'm going with here, and I don't want to overdo it. I added the fresh air foam sticker on the cloud, and then I'm going to go ahead and mount this down and then add the sticker, the foam sticker, right in the center there. Alright, that's just to fill in some of the space here. And then I'm going to go through and look at my die cut to see if there's something I can use to fill in that white space. But before I do that, I'm going to add some twine through the ribbon, or not the ribbon, the tag. Okay, cut this down, and then I'm just trying to get my thoughts together. I really like this. I'm going to try and see, I figured I'd go ahead and chop part of that off and add it as a backdrop, but I didn't want to cover the journaling spot, so I decided not to do that. And then I thought I'd go through and see what else I have. I have more clouds. I'm going to go ahead and put those on there too to kind of balance it out a little bit, and add a foam sticker. There we go. And I'm just looking to see what I want to use, because I need to fill in some of the space, but I really want to keep it simple. And so I'm just going through one by one and just tucking them in here and there, the embellishment, to see how it looks. I love this banner. I'm going to have to set that aside for another layout. And let's see. Going through all of them. I love this too, the friendship bracelet. If I didn't put the foam sticker there, I probably would have gone with the bracelet. I'm going to use the butterfly. I'm pop that on there just for dimension. And I'm just moving things around to see how it looks. I'm going to use the seagull. And I'm just going through real quickly for anything that I can add on here without overdoing it, because I still have a few more layouts I want to use this kit with, so I'm going to try not to use everything on one or two layouts. I'm going to go ahead and pop this up here and then glue this down. I like how this is coming along. It's simple, but it's really pretty in a boy way. It's a boy layout, so I'm trying not to get too girly here. And I think the rainbow stripes in the background works with this layout. And then I used the other side of the picnic that I cut in half. I'm going to go ahead and pop that back there, and it works out. And then I'm going to glue this down here, happiness. And look at that. It's so quick and easy. I love that. And then I'm just looking to see what else I can add. Just going through. I feel like it's missing something, just a little something. And I'm just looking through something to add on a tag there. So I'm going to add a few little flowers and just call it a day for that. Okay. Now let's see what else I can do. I'm going to add a black fox stitch border. Okay, it's about an 1/8 of an inch. And then I'm going to add some scribbles just to add another border along the end. I just feel like it's missing something, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, because then when I do the journaling, it will all come together nicely. So let me just go ahead and add this. So it's really hard to get my 16-year-old out of the house. He's usually on his computer gaming, so the one thing we know that we can get him out to do is boating. So we took him out on a boat and he had a great time, and it was a great day. It wasn't too hot, a little chilly, but still fun. And there's my layout. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was inspiring, quick and easy, and simple. Take care. Bye.